All right, I have a walking pad that I just love, and it's an amazing value. I need to show it to you. All right, we got this amazing under the desk walking treadmill. I love it. Other people love it. It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. I think it's great. First thing I want to show you, let's come back here, is how light it is. You can just pick it up with one hand easily. There's wheels on the front. Makes it easy to store. Very compact, which makes it even easier to store away. Let's go ahead and come to the front. Press the on button right here. Then I will take the remote out of my pocket. I'm going to press on the remote. And here we go. It's counting down. It shows the speed there, time there, the distance, and the calories burned there. I'm going to speed it up to show you the top speed, which is 3.8 miles per hour, which is more than enough if you're going to be using this for an under-the-desk treadmill while you're working. You're not going to need it to go this fast, so you can slow it down. But if you're going to be using this for exercise, 3.8, that's a great speed. Great speed. As you can see, I'm moving. But while you're working, you're definitely going to want to slow it down. That way you can focus on your work while still getting your steps in, still getting your exercise in. This thing's great. Great value and amazing. Highly recommend.